Welcome to executing the pushback, left turn. In this lesson, you will perform a complete pushback maneuver, pushing the aircraft back from the stand and executing a 90-degree left turn onto the taxiway centerline. You are now seated in the pushback tractor. The headset operator is showing you the brakes off signal. He opens his closed fist into an open palm. Confirm readiness by showing thumbs up. Now turn on the hazard lights and release the parking brake. Good. Now you are ready to start the pushback. Attention, the shear pins broke. Well reacted. You gently stopped the pushback and alerted the headset operator and cockpit. You are approaching the final position. Bring the aircraft to a smooth stop when the nose gear is positioned exactly at the yellow triangle marking. Pushback complete. Let's evaluate your performance. The final position is outside the acceptable tolerance. Please try again. Good. You finished the pushback. The final position has room for improvement, but is within tolerance. Now secure the pushback tractor and show the headset operator a closed fist to request the parking brake to be set. Good. The headset operator also confirms that the aircraft brakes have been set. Well done. You successfully completed the executing the pushback left turn lesson.